In a small village, a poor man struggled to survive.
One day, he saw a snake near an anthill. Maybe this is a sacred snake? He offered milk with respect. The next day, he found a gold coin. This is a blessing.
Here, Father.
Thank you, son. He offered milk again and again with respect. This is for you. The next day, Snake gave him one more gold coin. We are blessed again.
Every day, the snake rewarded him.
Soon, his life improved.
Wow, Dad, is this all ours?
Yes, son, we made it.
I love it.
Me too, son. But greed slowly entered his mind. There must be more gold inside. Thank you for this gift. He made a dangerous plan. Then he tried to kill the snake.
Now I'll get everything! But the snake escaped! No gold coin. Nothing. From that day, no more gold came. The man lost everything. My greed destroyed it, and
Greed destroys blessings.
Subscribe to Creative Subbu for more life-changing stories. Learn before it's too late.